Two men charged in a scheme to steal campaign funds from an account for Javier Becerra face a federal judge today. Greg Campbell and Sean McCluskey are listed as co-conspirators facing federal conspiracy charges.
And KCRA 3's Maricela de la Cruz was in the courtroom today. What happened in court, Maricela?
Yeah, Lisa, what happened today in court was the next step in their cases. Both men pled not guilty, but as we've reported, they have both signed plea agreements with a U.S. attorney. Now, this is the first time that we've seen these men since the arrest of former Chief of Staff to Governor Gavin Newsom, also a co-conspirator in this case. Now, their time in the courtroom was pretty quick. Greg Campbell, longtime political operative, is facing 2 federal conspiracy charges, while Sean McCluskey, who was the chief of staff for Javier Becerra, is facing 1 conspiracy charge. Today, both men waived their right to a grand jury indictment, and they were released with several conditions, including surrendering their passports, no contact with co-conspirators or with witnesses or anyone tied to related cases. Our crew tried speaking with both men. Only Greg Campbell's attorney made a comment.
I know Greg Campbell to be an honorable former public servant, a respected and positive member of the community who has handled himself with great integrity during these deeply troubling times. Mr. Campbell takes full accountability for his actions and is cooperating fully with the legal process. Because the case is ongoing, Mr. Campbell does not intend to make any further public comments at this time.
Now, both men will be in court again on separate dates for a change of plea hearing where they are expected to plead guilty. Now, the judge would then sign off on this plea deal. We're live in downtown Sacramento. Maricela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
Okay, thank you.
And McCluskey and Campbell both have ties to the governor's former chief of staff, Dana Williamson. She's accused of conspiring to steal $225,000 from a dormant political campaign belonging to former Health and Human Services Secretary Javier Becerra. Williamson is facing 23 total counts, including fraud, conspiracy, obstruction of justice, and making false statements. She has pleaded not guilty.